Are you looking for a powerful laptop that can keep up with your busy lifestyle? If so, then you should consider investing in an i9 laptop. These laptops are equipped with some of the most powerful processors on the market, and they can handle even the most strenuous tasks. In this video, we will discuss some of the best i9 laptops available on the market today. We will also provide a few tips on how to choose the right one for your needs. The i9 laptops are more than just the latest tech trend. They're a sign of an ever-changing world in which consumers demand more from their devices. The i9 series of processors from Intel are the best in laptop technology, with faster performance, better power efficiency, and graphics capabilities. This is the way to go. There are so many laptops out there, and deciding on the right one can be difficult. We have done some research for you to find the top 5 best and cheap i9 laptops on the market today in 2022. The i9 series of processors are designed to handle demanding tasks like video rendering, multimedia editing, and heavy multitasking. If you're looking for a laptop that will be able to perform these functions without any hiccups or lag time, the following i9 laptops are worth your consideration. All of them have an Intel Core i9 processor, so if this key specification matters more than anything else in your buying decision, then rest assured that these are the best options on the market right now. Number 1. Asus ROG Zephyrus S17. One of the best gaming laptops on the market right now. The Asus ROG Zephyrus S17 is also one of the few that come with an i9 series processor. The Asus ROG Zephyrus S17 gaming laptop has an Intel Core i9-11900H processor. This processor has a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and can be turbo boosted up to 4.9 GHz, which is great for demanding tasks. It also has a total of 8 cores, so you'll be able to multitask with ease. As for the display, it's a 17.33-inch with QHD IPS panel with a 165Hz refresh rate and G-Sync support. The Asus ROG Zephyrus S17 gaming laptop comes with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card and 16GB of DDR4 RAM. Number 2. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is powered by an Intel Core i9-11900H processor. This processor has a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and can be boosted up to a maximum of 4.9 GHz. It has a total of 8 cores, which is perfect for multitasking and gaming. The processor is also capable of hyper-threading, which means that it can handle up to 16 threads simultaneously. The most interesting thing about this laptop is the second screen. It's a full-fledged 4K IPS panel that gives you a ton of extra screen real estate. You can use it as a second display or as an extended keyboard. It has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 GPU and 32GB of DDR4 RAM. This is more than enough for gaming and multitasking. Number 3. Dell XPS 9510. The XPS 9510 comes with an 11th generation Intel Core i9-11900H processor, which is the latest and fastest currently available. The processor runs at a clock speed of up to 4.90 GHz with turbo boost technology. One of the main reasons of choosing this laptop is because of its design. The Dell XPS 9510 is one of the thinnest and lightest laptops on the market. Its weight is only 4.22 pounds. The laptop is also equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti and 32GB of DDR4 RAM. The Dell XPS 9510 has a large 15.6-inch screen with non-touch anti-glare display, which is perfect for gaming, watching movies, or editing videos. Number 4. MSI Stealth GS77. The MSI Stealth GS77 is one of the best i9 laptops on the market. It has a powerful Intel Alder Lake chip Core i9-12900H processor, which ensures lightning-fast performance when playing games or watching videos. The MSI Stealth GS77 is also equipped with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti and a massive 32GB of high-performance DDR5 RAM. This memory works at a lightning-fast speed of up to 4800 MHz, ensuring that the laptop never loses performance due to slowdowns or lag from insufficient system resources. The MSI Stealth GS77 is equipped with a 17.3-inch QHD IPS display. The MSI Stealth is a powerful and well-equipped machine that offers users a great experience for gaming, multimedia, or creative work. It's packed with high-end hardware, including 32GB of RAM, a super-fast SSD, and a large QHD display. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix Scar 15. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 gaming laptops come with an i9-12900H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics. The i9-12900H uses the 12th generation of processors from Intel, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor, including increased performance and power efficiency. The processor has a base clock speed of 3.0 GHz, but it can turbo boost up to 5.0 GHz when needed. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 comes with 16GB high-performance DDR5 dual-channel memory, which can handle the most demanding of games and graphics. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS-type display, which is perfect for gamers who want the best image quality and smoothness. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 is a great laptop for gamers who want the best performance. It has the latest generation of processors, GPU, and Wi-Fi technology. Finally, the best i9 laptop is the one that has all of your needs covered. These are our top 5 recommendations for laptops with an Intel Core i9 processor. But you may also want to explore other options based on battery life or weight if those matter more to you than sheer processing power. When considering what the best product is, it can be hard to know precisely which criteria should count most in order to make a decision. If you are looking for the best i9 series processor laptops, this list is a great place to start. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further reviews about laptops.